What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because your girl really appreciate it. But without further ado, y'all, if y'all see this little thing, y'all, we got production going on. Your girl like professional. But no, I got this so you can hear me a little bit more clearer, because even though I'm kind of not that far from my phone, I want you to be able to hear me. I don't want it to feel like you're struggling to hear me. That's neither here nor there. And y'all got on my little H&M little loungewear, so that's why I'm looking like a little polka dot little situation right here. But y'all, as y'all can see, it's getting hotter and you don't want to be left behind. You really don't. So now's the time to be getting your sunglasses. Now I know I'm not the only one that loves sunglasses. Especially when it's hot outside, you got the sunroof peeking, got your glasses on, you got a stop sign or the stoplight, and you just like, okay. But anyway, y'all, I wanted to do a try-on haul. Unfortunately, I can't link a lot of these below because they're from Amazon and Aliexpress. Either, Aliexpress, I can't link them, but just search designer sunglasses, designer women's sunglasses, women's designer sunglasses. Just make a combination of those three words and you won't find them. With Amazon, it's like one day they're here, the next day they're gone. So let's just get into it. So I just wanted to do a little try on and y'all tell me what's y'all favorite pair. So we're stepping into this is giving me very much Elton John, but Benny and the Jets, or a little Willy Wonka, depending on what you're going for. But it's very bold, and I'm a very bold person, so I'm just like, why not? It makes me feel like I should be on a motorcycle, like, so yeah, y'all thought these were cute, y'all. And then, like, even if you're searching for like a specific color, if you're looking for red glasses, yellow glasses, bright glasses, it's best to, search them. Y'all, these is my pink, and they actually like look pink. It's not just the tint on them. Y'all, what am I giving? I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. That's what I feel like I'm giving. Ooh, I have to wear them like at night. I'm driving around trying to be cute, because to wear them in the daytime, that's a headache. It's nothing but pink. And like, as you know, like I wear prescription glasses, so I'm constantly in front of computer, and that blue light's not good. So I even purchased some blue light, just regular prescriptions. Well, they're not prescriptions, they're no prescriptions, but just to wear them if I don't want to wear my own glasses. Something clear, something cute, because clear is the new thing now. Clear frames, they're the in thing. And y'all, I love a good print. And y'all, these are they're all taken out of the packages, but I'm not doing them this way because I knew if I would be cutting stuff and it would make the video so much longer. So I think these are cute. I want to say these probably also have the blue light blocking lenses. And y'all, oh, excuse me. Y'all, look. But yeah, I don't know why my back of my throat growling. I'm sorry. Ew, that's not cute. I'm just being honest. But y'all, this is cute. It's different, very different. It's kind of what it looked like in the photo. I thought this was going to be like a darker type print, but it's like more on the yellowish side. So a lot of times when I'm searching stuff, especially on Amazon, I always search sunglasses under $5. Unless it's like a nice pair, I'm not spending over $5 for sunglasses. The most I'll spend is $10, and that's pushing it. So like this, I love wood grain. Wood grain, kind of like a cat eye. It's cute. What do y'all think? I look very studious. Yeah, I got so many glasses over here. It's ridiculous. Seriously. Seriously, y'all. And y'all, I tried to look on Amazon. I tried to find them. But as long as you use those words, and I'm telling you, most of these were under $5. I don't know, maybe they restocked them, but I looked, didn't find any of them. So y'all, these remind me of those glasses that cops be wearing in the summertime. License and registration, please. All right, roger that. Breaker copy. Woo! It usually be like the Ray-Bans and stuff like that. Yeah, those are okay. Those are okay. They're different. Ooh, these are like Fly Girl. Y'all can see I'm in my nail station because all y'all see is nail stuff. These are cute. I feel like Mary J. Blige. Wait, no, that's Lil' Kim. Y'all get my vibe. Y'all get the vibe. Oh, these are cute. Y'all, these remind me of what's that song? A Different World. Remember Dwayne? Dwayne. Like, he used to wear the freshest glasses, like fresh. Their whole attire, that era, like Martin, A Different World, all of that stuff, the way that they dressed was so retro. Oh my gosh. To be a fly on the wall during that time. They had all the retro Jordans and stuff, the throwback crew necks that said like Yale, Spelman, and it's just excellence. Excellence. Oh, these is cute. Y'all can tell I'm feeling myself. I love a good old clear frame, and y'all see I'm on this gold phase, wearing gold. Y'all, my nose a little wide, but it's okay. Hey, and my white tee. Hey. With my little bob. With my little bob. Favorites. That's definitely a favorite. Definitely a favorite. Hold on, let me get these out in that open. Y'all, these remind me of what's that movie with Keanu Reeves in them? Y'all know with Lawrence Fishburne, Keanu Reeves, and they was all in black. The Matrix. Come with me if you want to live. Probably won't be wearing these. And I swear, like, a lot of times these look so different, like online, and it's just like once you get them, you be like, what in the popcorn cheesy fest is this? Because they be looking real cheesy. Mr. Roboto. Girl, these are like bug eyes. It's a no. For the people, it's a no. I don't like them. I don't like them at all. And it's like, I don't like to be wasteful and throw stuff away. So I just be like, oh, who can I get these away to? Because some of these, I'm like, not liking these. License and registration, please. Mixed with a little Dwayne. Those are a no. What is up with all these glasses? What did I mean to order these type of blue reflective glasses? I don't think I did. And sometimes they just send you what they be wanting to send you instead of just saying that they out of stock. I don't like these. I don't like those. No. Those are a no. Now these are what are these? The aviator glasses in clear. Now these are cute. I love me a good old clear pair. Yeah. These are cute. We're getting down to our last couple of pairs. And y'all know my mama already got deals on the ones that I don't want. That ain't nothing new. Nothing new. And I thought these were cute. They're glitter. And they kind of go with my little shirt. Like right there. Y'all know me, I'm different. I'm the wild child of the family. Like I wear different stuff, cutesy stuff, bright stuff. As long as I got me a purse that match, I'm in there. Another yellow pair. Or are these the same pair? Oh, I think I had ordered two of these, so I thought these was gonna be fire. And they're not. I ordered two. Cause I was like, oh, these gonna be fire. It's an understatement. And I remember these are from Aliexpress because they sent me the wrong pair. I ordered some red frames and they just gave me cream. I didn't ask for this cream nude. Dude. No. I wanted the red ones. The red ones gonna pop, but y'all, these are not given what's supposed to be gave. Let's see. Oh, y'all, I need some YSL dupes. Peep it, peep it. And these ones, I can rock with these ones. No autographs today. No autographs today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. These are cute. These are really cute. Okay, we're down to the last three pair. Oh, there's plastic everywhere. I look like, if y'all ever seen the Incredibles, Edna Mole. I'll put a picture up here. I think I've made a reference to her before. I look like Edna Mole. All I need is a bang with my bob. They're cute though. They're very cute. A lot of these, I think I would need like a style change. You know, everything's not going to go right with my little wrap. Even though my little wrap cute, but you know, sometimes I might have to get like a little cute wig, maybe a short cute wig. Spike it up on the side, giving me real 2000-ish. And y'all, I always wanted short hair. Like I want to cut my hair like shorter than I have. Like I want to go like short. But I'm scared that if I go short, it may never grow back. Oh, these are sexy. These are cute. My nose is just fat. With a good lash or some mascara. These are cute. I gotta be careful with my piercing and stuff, but. Yep. Vroom, vroom. And I don't even ride motorcycles. And we have one more pair. One last pair. And these are supposed to be Louis Vuitton dupes. And y'all know I got these from Aliexpress. But I got them in green because I thought they were so cute. I feel like a little Power Ranger, but a cute one. Because I definitely got some shoes this color. And something plain outfit, but my accessories is going to make it pop. Pop. And I thought these were so cute. They don't have LV on the side, but you can see that they have this little middle part right here that's known for the original LV ones. Y'all, I'm excited and I just can't hide it. I cannot wait until the spring and the summer, because when I tell you, I'm ready. And that's on period food. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you can find some sunglasses, and I hope you're getting your spring and summer wardrobes together, because this is not a game. This ain't a game. Y'all, it's time to, we've been dealing with this snow and all this weather. It's time to be cute and get out here. And that's on for real, for real. So I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.